Good day, everyone. So I want to give you a step-by-step on how to register on your AgroPay platform and also how to choose an investment plan. So all you have to do, if you do not have an account, a registered account yet, you click on the register and register your account. But I have created an account specially to show you how to log in and also pick your investment plan, your AgroPay investment plan. So I'm inputting my password now, like so, and I'm just waiting for it to log in. Tada! So we are here, we have successfully logged in. Then you click on this green arrow here to be able to see your dashboard and everything. So you click here. You now choose your investment, what you want to do. If you want to deposit, you want to withdraw your money, transfer your money, whatever you want. But since this is a tutorial on how to choose an investment plan and also make your payments, all you have to do is click on the investment, then you tap on investment plan. It will take you straight there. So you see there's lithium 10,000, there's bronze, there's silver, there's golden, there's ruby, there's diamond, there's any one you want. It continues like that, but since I'm showing you, I'm gonna pick the golden investment plan, the gold. So I click on invest, then it shows me like pay now. So you already have the account details, and you have already choose your investment plan and you have already paid, you get. So you come here, you type in the amount which you have paid, that is the 50,000 naira, the golden plan, which is the 50,000 naira. You input that and also click on invest now. Tada! Then it will bring you here, directly here, this place. So all you have to do is send them proof of payments. You tap in here to send your file, photo library, take photos or videos, whichever one that you have kept to show as your evidence of payment. So you just go to your photo gallery, you choose any one. Let me see. This is the transaction that I'm working on today, but let me just use that as an example. Then you tap it, you choose the size, any one, then you just send proof for payments, and it shows you everything. And that's all for this step. So